Are you looking to buy an affordable EV? Then you must check out these options based on their price and specifications. Some of these have also been test driven by us. So let's get started. MG Comet EV. The MG Comet EV is a fully automatic two-door car that seats 4, has 17.3 kWh battery and boasts of a range of 230 km per charge. As per the company, it takes around 7 hours to charge it fully. We had test driven the car around the time when it was launched and found that its size makes it easy to move around in traffic and navigate cramped spaces. You can check out the video by going to the link given in the description. Priced at Rs 6.99 lakh ex-showroom, it also comes under the BAS or Battery as a Service program at Rs 4.99 lakh with battery rental options. MG Windsor EV. The MG Windsor EV comes in an MPV-like shape and the aeroGlide design makes it quite noticeable on the roads. The car is sleek and the interiors are minimalistic and no-nonsense. It comes with a massive 15.6-inch infotainment system, which is quite a standout. It has a 38 kWh battery, which is standard across the range, and is claimed to have a 331 km range on a single charge. With base, the MG Windsor is being offered at a price starting from 9.99 lakhs ex-showroom, plus battery rental starting at Rs 3.5 per kilometer. Without the BAS scheme, you can take it at prices starting from Rs 13,49,800 ex-showroom. Check out our hands-on drive video with the Windsor EV, link is in the description. Tata Tiago EV. The Tata Tiago EV is a more budget-friendly alternative to some of its higher-end offerings. Its price starts at Rs 7.99 lakh and it is powered by a 19.2 kWh or 24 kWh battery. The car comes with rear parking sensors, tire pressure monitoring system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Tata Punch EV. Buyers can choose between a 25 kWh battery with a range of 265 km or a larger 35 kWh battery offering up to 365 km. The Tata Punch EV starts at Rs 9.99 lakh and is available in 5 variants. It comes with IP67 rating for ingress protection for motor and battery pack, LED DRLs, front fog lamps and connected car technology. Citroen EC3. The Citroen EC3 has a 29.2 kWh battery that provides a driving range of 246 km on a single charge. It supports fast charging, allowing the battery to charge from 0 to 80% in just 57 minutes. With a starting price of Rs 12.7 lakhs, the EC3 comes with e-toggle automatic gearbox and eco and standard drive modes. That's all from me today. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for more such information like this.